So if you think mastering AI tools will make you successful, just think again. Because top 1% leaders, top 1% successful man in this world, like owner of Amazon, Google, Microsoft, and different technologies, different platforms. So they don't know how to code. They don't know how to write different technologies code. Okay, but they know how to communicate, how to present the ideas, how to manage the team, how to lead the team. So they know how to do these things. So exactly in the same way, I'll tell you 5 reasons why 70 to 80%, really 70 to 80% your soft skills matter as compared to 20 to 30% your AI skills or hard skills. Let's begin this video. Number one, hard skills can be learned, but soft skills build with time. So I'm taking example. You can easily learn Python. You can easily learn different languages, but it required efforts to know the art of selling. It required efforts to know how art of presenting ideas, gathering the people, collecting the people, communicating the public. So it requires your efforts, time, your consistency, and your dedication. Definitely, in hard skills also required, but soft skills required efforts that can be not achieved in an easy way. Okay. Number two, you will work with the people, not just machines. So every time, let's suppose if you work as a Python developer or any kind of developer, so you're just not sitting in the front of computer and just typing a code in the front of computer. You need to be communicate. You need to gathering the information from your client. So it requires your listening skills. It requires that how you can able to listen, how you can able to execute these tasks. So it requires your soft skills. Number three, soft skills promote faster growth. Let's suppose if you have already completed 1 year in a company and you want salary hike, to communicate, to share that, sir, or you directly communicate with your boss that, sir, I have already completed 1 year and this is projects I have successfully completed. So I require this effort. So it's a way, it's a strategy, it's an art of saying, something. Okay, so this is required soft skills. Number four, tools may change. Tools can change, but soft skill or people skills never. What does it mean? It means there is a lots of in the era of AI, different day by day. In a seconds, new tools invented, new things founded by different founders. But if I'm comparing leadership, communication, decision making, negotiation. So all these skills permanent. No one can replace it. Even any kind of AI tool, any kind of these tools never replace transferable skills human. Okay. Number five, you can handle the problems in a better way. What does it mean? You know how to work in under pressure. So how to work under pressure is the art of that is comes under soft skill. So you know you have a lots of tasks, so you know how to manage these tasks. You how to know that this task I need to do, but this task I can delegate it. So it requires your soft skills. I hope in this video you will get to know why soft skills important as compared to hard skills. Like you can manage the team, you can lead the team, you can gathering the information from your clients. So these require your hard skills, sorry, your soft skills. Okay, so in this video I hope you enjoy the video till the end. Take care, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.